Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to run an RFE analysis quick prompt using document Q&A. So the first step is to open document Q&A. The next step is to upload your RFE. So you can click upload files here to upload directly from your computer. You can also select documents in your personal library. So I have my RFE in my personal library, and so I'm going to select it and then save it. Once you upload your document, you will have confirmation here at the top of the window. Then you know that the document has been uploaded. And so the next and final step is to actually run the prompt. So just find your prompt library down here at the bottom left, open that, find the RFE analysis prompt, and you do not have to type anything. You can just click this lightning bolt icon here and the prompt will begin its analysis. You can also view the prompt here by clicking the eye icon. You can see what set of instructions we have given it. And so that is how you run an RFE analysis quick prompt using document Q&A.